Introduction to Python Dictionaries. A dictionary in Python is an unordered collection of data values used to store data like a map. Each key value pair in a dictionary is separated by a colon, whereas each key is separated by a comma. Keys of a dictionary must be unique and of immutable data type, such as strings, integers, and tuples, but the key values can be repeated and be of any type. Python dictionary methods. Python provides various methods that can be applied on dictionaries to perform different tasks. These methods help manipulate the dictionary and make coding easier and efficient. Examples of Python dictionary methods. Dict.clear. This method is used to remove all elements from the dictionary. Dict.copy. This method returns a copy of the dictionary. Dict.get key, and this method returns the value for the provided key if it exists. If not, it returns none or the default value provided. Dict.items. This method returns a view object that displays a list of a dictionary's key-value tuple pairs. Tips and tricks for using Python dictionaries. Ensure the keys used are immutable. Using mutable data types like lists as dictionary keys will result in a type error. When using the dict.get method, remember that it does not raise a key error if the key is not in the dictionary. It would return none or the default value provided. Remember that dictionaries are mutable. This means that when you copy a dictionary using dict2 equals dict1, any changes made to dict1 will affect dict2. To avoid this, use the dict.copy method. Conclusion: Python dictionaries are a powerful data structure that allows you to organize and manipulate data efficiently. Understanding the methods available for dictionaries will enable you to code more effectively and avoid common errors. Practice using these methods, and you'll become proficient in handling dictionaries in no time.